Welcome to OpeningMaster AI Chess Training Program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform, which will help you learn chess faster and better. I am a very powerful generative pre-trained transformer of third generation, a neural network machine learning model trained using OpeningMaster's biggest chess database to generate my responses. Today, we will learn the night at the opera match between Morphy and Duke Karl. It was played 1858. Hi, my name is Alexander. I am the AI version of my founder, who was born 1954. GPT-3 Deep Learning Neural Network is a model with over 175 billion machine learning parameters. Using OpeningMaster's chess database with 9.5 million human chess games gives me power not imaginable before. Are you ready? This chess game was played between Paul Morphy, a famous American chess player, and Duke Karl and Count Isouard, who were both French chess players. The game was played in Paris in 1858, and the opening played was the Philidor Defense, which is represented by the ECO code C4E1. 1. Pawn to E4, pawn to E5. This is a strong opening move that controls the center of the board and prepares to bring the rest of White's pieces into the game. It also attacks Black's pawn on E5, putting pressure on Black's position. Black responds by supporting their pawn on E5 and preparing to develop their pieces. This move also challenges White's pawn on E4. 2. Knight to F3, pawn to D6. White develops their knight and attacks the pawn on E5. Black defends their pawn on D6 and prepares to bring their own bishop into the game. 3. Pawn to D4, bishop to G4. White strengthens their control of the center and attacks Black's pawn on E5. Black attacks White's knight on F3 and develops their bishop. 4. Pawn takes on E5, bishop takes on F3. White captures Black's pawn, but Black is able to capture White's knight in return. This trade of pieces leaves White with a small material advantage after the next move with Queen. 5. Queen takes on F3, pawn takes on E5. White captures Black's bishop with Queen and continues to build on their small material advantage. 6. Bishop to C4, knight to F6. White develops their bishop to C4 and attacks Black's pawn on F7. Black brings their knight into the game and prepares to castle. 7. Queen to B3, queen to E7. White develops their queen and prepares to double attack the pawn on F7. Black develops their queen and safeguard the pawn on F7. 8. Knight to C3, pawn to C6. White develops their knight and attacks pawn on B7 with queen. Black defends their pawn with C6 and protects B7 with queen. 9. Bishop to G5, pawn to B5. White develops their bishop and attacks Black's knight on F6. Black moves their pawn to B5 and prepares to attack White bishop. 10. Knight takes on B5, pawn takes on C5. White captures Black's pawn, but Black is able to capture White's knight in return. This trade of pieces leaves the material balance roughly even. 11. Bishop takes on B5, knight to D7. White captures Black's pawn and develops their bishop while giving a check, while Black brings their knight into the game and defends their king. 12. Kingside castle, rook to D8. White castles kingside and brings their rook into the game, while Black develops their rook and defends their knight. 13. Rook takes on D7, rook to D7. White captures Black's knight and threatens to capture Black's queen, forcing Black to capture White's rook in return. 14. Rook to D1, queen to E6. White brings their rook into the game and threatens to capture Black's rook on D7. Black develops their queen and attacks White's queen on B3. 15. Bishop takes on D7, knight takes on D7. White captures Black's rook and threatens to check, forcing Black to capture White's bishop in return. 16. Queen to B8, knight takes on b8. White moves queen to b8 and threatens to mate black with their queen and rook. Black is forced to capture white's queen in order to prevent the mate. 17. Rook to d8, checkmate, 1-0. White mates black with their rook and wins the game, 1-0. This chess game was played in Paris and featured Paul Morphy as white and Duke Karl and Count Isouard as black. It is not clear whether the two played as a team, or if one was substituting for the other. The game ended in a win for white, with a final score of 1-0. Thank you for watching OpeningMaster's AI chess training program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform. My name is Alexander. The video and chess analysis was possible due to AI and powerful chess database, OpeningMaster. You can download this game, including other 9.5 million human chess games, at www.openingmaster.com. Drop me a note at alexanderopeningmaster.com if you wish to cover specific game. Goodbye, and remember, the future of chess training is here, AI.